Woke up to a hot, stuffy house? Your AC might be silent for a reason, and most people miss these simple fixes. An AC that stops working overnight is commonly caused by a tripped circuit breaker, a severely clogged air filter restricting airflow, or a frozen evaporator coil due to low refrigerant. Other culprits include a malfunctioning thermostat, a clogged condensate drain line tripping a safety switch, or a faulty capacitor. Here are some immediate troubleshooting steps. Check the thermostat, ensure it is set to cool, the fan is on auto, and the batteries are not dead. Check the circuit breaker, look at your home's electrical panel. If a breaker has tripped to the middle position, flip it off and then back on. Replace the air filter, a dirty, blocked filter can freeze the system or cause it to overheat. Check the drain line, if the unit is in the attic, check if the overflow pan is full of water. A clogged drain line causes a float switch to shut down the system. Look outside, ensure the outdoor unit is not blocked by debris and the disconnect switch is securely in place. If the system has frozen ice on the copper pipes, turn the AC off and set the fan to on for several hours to thaw it out before attempting to run it again. If these steps do not fix the issue, you may have a refrigerant leak or a failed compressor requiring a professional technician.